So here is another weird niche that you can start using to make money on YouTube. Racing graphic videos got viral on YouTube just last year, and they are still making waves on YouTube. And one thing you need to know about these types of videos is that you don't need to show your face or record your voice. Now, before you start asking me who on earth sits to watch videos like this, just take a look at this number of views these racing bar graph videos are generating. So if you take a look at the Data is Beautiful channel, which is one of the most popular channels in this niche, you'll see that the channel started uploading these types of videos on YouTube around July of 2019, and since then the channel owner has uploaded almost 60 racing bar video graph videos, which has helped the channel to gain over 1 million subscribers. Now, if we take a look at this channel on socialblade, which by the way is used for estimating channel earnings, you see that the channel is making between 200 to 4,000 euros a month and between 3,000 to over 40,000 a year. You should also understand that the Data is Beautiful channel is not the only channel creating these types of videos and making money from it. There are of course already many channels existing, and many are coming up every day with different stats to create graphs that people are interested in. Here are some examples of other data visualizing video channels on YouTube. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create these types of videos for free without ever showing your face or recording your voice if you don't want to. I will be showing you where to find the necessary statistics and tools to use and how to put it all together. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in automated videos, make sure to check out the automation tips and ideas playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So how do you go about creating a racing graph video like this? Well, for a start, you will need to research the information that you need to display as stats on your video, and a good place to make your research is on Google Dataset Search, which contains over 25 million links for datasets from various sources. UCIML repository is another source for data, one of the oldest. You also have Data USA, United States Public Data, which is another source. There is also the UK Data Service, the UK's largest collection of social, economic, and population data. Now, these are all data sources for general purposes. There are other websites that open source their data to the public, like the IMDb, the largest movie database you can find online. One other source which might be very helpful is the archive.org website that allows you to navigate the archives of the internet pages by simply making a search on archive website to get the earlier versions of the same page. Take for example this page on the Forbes website on the top earning 100 celebrities for 2020. This page can be traced back to 2018 using the archive website. So your data can be on almost any topic or niche you choose. Now if you look at the Data is Beautiful channel again, you'll see that the video topics are endless. You have, for example, the most popular science fiction movies between 1968 to 2019. Then you also have the most popular TV series between 1986 again to 2019. You can, for example, go to this channel now and take these stats from 1968 to 2019 and increase the stats by adding it to 2021, and there you have a unique video that will help generate you money for years to come on YouTube. Actually, some creators don't even spend the time to do the research. They just go the easy way by looking in the description box of some of the racing bar graph videos on YouTube, and most often the channel owner will link you to the source of the statistics, and that's simply because YouTube requires creators who create these types of videos to link back to the original source. Now, I'll assume that you have already done your research and you have the historic time series data. The next step now is transforming and mapping the raw data into a usable format. Make sure to hit that like button below this video if you would like to learn how to transform the raw data you collect online into a usable format. You see, since we'll be using the Flourish Studio app to make our visualized data, you will first need to transform the raw data you collect online into something that looks similar to the data on the Flourish Studio app. Anyway, we'll be coming to the Flourish Studio app later. For now, let's look at how to transform your data, and we'll be using this page on the fourth website on the top 100 celebrities as an example. Now in this case, the fourth website has already made things really easy. So for a start, you'll need some kind of Microsoft Excel program to display your data. This part may actually require more work from you since you have to do everything manually to transform the data. So to save you time, I've already organized these top 100 celebrities in this Excel page, and I'll just walk you through on how I did it. By the way, you can get Microsoft Excel for free online. You just need to have an account on Google, which you should if you're on YouTube. So as you can see, I simply opened up this page on the youngest celebrities and copied all the names and pasted it in the Excel page as the first column. Then the next column is youngest, simply because I want the data to show the youngest, the oldest, and women all displayed as the categories. The image link is the next column, although these are not really the image links, but this is where you want to put the image links if you want them up here in your video. On the third column, I use ages, positions according to the fourth websites, and finally their earnings. So basically, you need to convert the data into a table like this, where each column represents one of the important facts. Now when you have this all set up, next is downloading and saving the table in a comma separated value CSV format, and then head over to the Flourish Studio app. Now when you get to the Flourish website, all you need to do is create a free account and choose the bar chart race template here below to start with. When the bar chart template opens up, click on the data option here and upload the Excel data file you saved as a CSV file. After uploading the file, next is selecting the columns that will be used as labels, values, categories, and images. By the way, the category column and the image column are all optional. Now once all that is done, click on the preview tab, and here is where you can further adjust the graphs by clicking on any of these collapsed menus. Here is where you can easily adjust the number of bars, bar colors, width, and much more. You will easily figure all this out yourself when you start playing with the app. It's really that easy. Now when it comes to transforming your animated graph into a video, unfortunately there is no option on the Flourish website to save the animation as a video file, especially if you are using this app for free. Which now brings us to the final step, which is recording the screen as a racing bar graph animation. And of course for that you need a screen recording app, and as you know, there are many different options you can use to record your computer screen. The one I use is called Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a free online recording app. You can actually use it to capture the Flourish Studio app screen and save it in any video format. Unfortunately, I can't really show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic because that's what I'm using to record this video you're watching now, but still it's a straightforward app to use. You can also add a background music to your videos if you choose. You can choose background music from a list of free songs database in the YouTube Studio app. And that's actually all it takes to make a great racing bar graph video on YouTube. Now, assuming that you have your racing bar video uploaded on your channel, the next step of course will be to start promoting the video to get more views, which of course will lead to more money. Now for your video promotions, I've also put together these few tips that will help promote your video. You can check the link to this page in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.